Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you a super quick and easy way to remove text from an image using Canva. So, let's get started. First of all, open Canva and upload the image from which you want to remove the text. Now, left-click on the image you uploaded. You'll see a menu appear above the image. Next, click on Edit Photo in that menu. After clicking Edit Photo, look for the magic eraser tool. Once you find it, then click on it. Now, simply brush over the text you want to remove. You might need to be a bit precise here, but it's pretty straightforward. Once you're done, then click on the Erase button. When you click on it, wait for a couple of seconds. And voila! The text is gone. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to remove text from an image in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.